Okay, so let's put the video on QuickMagic. Let's select the biped. Just hit next. Leave it like that. Just generate. Let's delete the old file. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Here we got it. Wow, impressive. This quality is amazing. Wow, very nice. Okay, let's get into Max. Okay, guys, one time in Max, we got a biped. Let's read the big file that QuickMagic give us. Here we got it. This is really nice quality animation. This is real magic from QuickMagic. Okay, let's find a nice loop in this animation. Okay, some patterns. Okay, let's skip this. Let's find this again. Let's see. Right here. Get the second. Let's see. This is a pattern. One, two, two. Oh, we can start with 2 again. 1, 2. Right here. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see in place mode how this is looking. Yeah, this may work. Okay, now let's create a layer. Let's create a pose from the beginning. Let's paste that pose. Let's paste that pose again right here. Maybe not with the looping. Let's with the loop horizontal. Let's not make it horizontal. Let's make the first the loop, and then at the end we fix the horizontal. Let's see in new place. See how this looks. Yeah, I got it. We got a nice loop. Okay. Now let's keep some animations poses right there. That way we don't lose the sense of the animation. Let's keep in some poses. Actually, we can keep poses right here. Then we have the initial pose right here. Got it? So let's collapse, and now let's match the horizontal. Let's create another layer, paste the pulse right here, paste the pulse right here. Now we got it. A nice match horizontal too. Okay. Just collapse this. Now we got it. That's really nice. Okay, now let's make some fixes and animation overall. Okay, let's put it a little bit up. Animation. Okay, we have some sliding with that we can fix it. For now, let's fix the clavicles at a little bit down. See, a little bit up. Looks more natural. Maybe a little bit down. Looks okay. Okay, we got it. Now let's create a layer and fix the fingers. They are too straight. Let's make a little bit natural. Okay, let's copy the finger pose. Let's paste on the opposite hand. Okay, let's collapse this. Got it. Now let's correct some of the slides and the foots. Okay. Let's first let's make a nice pose right here. Let's set a sliding key. Let's put the tension to 50, and let's keep this pose to here. Right here we need to set another sliding key, and we need to delete all the in between. Okay, let's keep this pose here. To set another slider right here and delete the in-betweens. In the work foot, I recommend the tension always 50, because that will trade off this in-between movement. If you put the tension 50, you will delete the in-between sliding, so be more firm. Okay. Like that. Put it to 50. Set here. right here we are not getting we're getting nice foot clean right here. Let's delete this one. Let us slide in here. Okay. We got it. Let's clean the right foot. In the air, be planted right here. Planted by one keys. Let's up again. Be planted right here. Correct pose first. Make a sliding. Nice. Here will be planted. Okay, we planted the wall animation. Wall animation to here. Okay. Now we can say we have a nice and clean animation. Okay guys, this is all. I hope you learned something and you enjoy. I would say the files that way you can use and make the tutorial following the steps. And see you in the next one guys.